So now we're going to do a quick model for 2 1/4 minus 1 2/4. So if you look over here, I already set up the model, and this is 2 1/4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a whole, this is a whole, and then this is 1/4, okay? So 2/4 minus 1 2/4. So, so one way I visualize it is if I'm taking these away from this, I can just do 1 and 1. So we're subtracting, if I'm subtracting 1/4 from this, I can just take these both out, put them over here. Okay? We have one whole here, so I can take this one whole out, move it over here. And then I have 1/4 left from down here. So this was the 1 2/4, I'll write it here. And this was the 2 1/4. Okay? We're subtracting. And then now we have one whole left and then 1/4 left. So we're going to subtract 1/4 from the whole, and we get 3/4 left over. Okay? So I'm going to show you how to do addition with models really quick. So we're going to do 1 3/4 plus 1 2/4. I don't have the fraction strips from school, so I had to make them so they're not perfect, but it'll help you get an idea. So 1 3/4 as a model. Remember, 1 whole with 4 as the denominator equals 4/4. So 4/4 equals a whole. So remember, at the end we can write 4/4 equals 1 whole. Okay? So we have 1, now we need 3/4. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay? So this is 1 3/4. I'll write the fraction next to it. Okay, so this is the first one. Whole is 1 3/4. And now we're adding 1 2/4. So I'm going to put this over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember? This is 1. Just like right here. And then we have 2/4. So we have 1 and 2. So this equals 2/4. So as a problem, you see 1 3/4 plus 1 2/4. And it helps us to model it like this because we can do this. So I'm going to move it up a little bit. So this is our whole. Got it. This is our whole. We can add our other whole. So that we know 1 2 3 4. 4/4 equals 1. And now we have 8. 8/4 equals 2. And now we still have 5/4 left over from our fractions, okay? So we're going to fill the line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now if we're keeping track, this is 1 whole, this is 1 whole, this is 1 whole. And then all we have left is 1/4. So we have 3 whole and 1/4. Okay? So this is a way to visualize it. Sometimes when we're thinking about our wholes, we forget that it is a fraction still. So just think about it. Yeah. So now we're going to do a subtraction problem really quick using a model again. So we're going to do 3 4/6 minus 1 2/6. So you see these bottles, they're labeled with 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1 whole. So 1 whole is 6, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3 wholes, just like up here, and 4, 6. We're going to subtract 1 2/6 from this. So let's say you brought 3 4/6 bottles to a party, and at the party, people drank 1 2/6. So, remember we subtract our fractions first, so 4/6 minus 2/6. I'm going to dump 2/6 out of this. So 1, 2. I'm going to go down to 2/6. pretty close. So 2, 6. So 4, 6 minus 2, 6 equals 2, 6. And then, so we subtracted our fraction. Now we're going to subtract our whole. So we're going to dump this whole thing in. So this one's completely empty. And now we're left with 1, 2 wholes and 2 6. Can we simplify to 6? We can. Grab my marker. So now we're left with 1, 2 and 2 6. We're going to do our factors really quick here. 1 and 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay? Biggest number is 2. Divide the top, divide the bottom. So, turns into 2 and 1/3.